Avrekalu Melogra, a popular dish of the Kannada Madhva Brahmins. It's hyacinth beans or the field beans in English, Avrekalu in Kannada and Mochakotta in Tamil. Hello, I am Shobha Balasubramaniam here. Welcome to my channel Spices and Flavors. We are going to see the recipe of the Avrekalu Melogra today. Here I have taken half kg of the hyacinth beans or the Hidkit Avre Bele. To prepare the Hidkit Avre Bele, it's a little difficult. I will tell you how to do it. These are the Avrekalu. It will be like this. We will have to peel each of these this way. This we can directly use for either Uppittu or the Upma. See, this is how it will be after peeling. This we have to soak in water for 6 to 8 hours. After that, we will have to take out the outer skin like this. Then we will get the Hidkit Avre Bele. This we can use for Akki Roti, this Melogra and Avre Bele Saru. We will keep this aside now. Light the gas and keep a kadai on the stove. Add a teaspoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 cinnamon stick, half teaspoon of asafoetida or the hing. We will fry all these ingredients in medium flame till they give out good aroma and change color. Now these are fried. We will transfer this to a plate. These are fried now. We will add a teaspoon of poppy seeds or the cuscus. Raw poppy seeds. Then in the same kadai, add a teaspoon of oil. We are going to fry the red chilies. I have taken about 12 red chilies. You can take more if you want. I have taken both Byadigi chilies and the Guntur chilies. More of Byadigi chilies. These are also fried now. We will take these out. Now in the same kadai, I am going to fry half a cup of desiccated coconut or the copra. This need not be fried for a very long time. This is also done. I have transferred it to a plate. We will grind all these without water first. Then adding water, we will grind it to a paste and keep aside. Now we will add the Hidkit Avre Bele in a vessel on the stove. Add 1.5 cups of water. Add required salt and boil it till they are soft. You can add onions if you want. You have to fry the onions and then add it to the Avrekalu. Allow this to boil on medium high for about 5 to 7 minutes. You can discard these. We will check now. This is done. It's boiled. To this we will add the ground mixture. You can add little water and adjust the consistency and cook on medium high for another 5 minutes. We can add a piece of jaggery, it is optional. Now we can switch off the stove. There is no need to add either tamarind or tomato to this recipe. This goes very well with hot rice. Keep a tadka pan on the stove. Add little oil. A teaspoon of mustard. Once it crackles, little asafoetida or the hing. A teaspoon of jeera. Curry leaves, and also you can give the tadka of peanuts. The delicious Avarekalu Melogara is ready to be served. Eat this with hot rice or onion akki roti. Please do give this a try and give me your sincere feedback. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Spices and Flavors by Shobha Balasubramaniam.